Hi, Albert with Complete Carpet and Tile Care, headed to a tile and grout cleaning job today. If you are in Las Vegas, Henderson, or any surrounding area and are looking for a hard surface cleaning, tile, stone, shower enclosures, countertops, cleaning, sealing, repairs, give us a call. Text today, 702-723-8744. Van parked. Go inside and get started. For a tile and grout cleaning job, here's a little of the stuff we use. We got our tile cleaning tool, corner guards, mop, grout brush, CRB system. This scrubs the tile and the grout lines. Some drying fans, pre-sprayer, of course our booties, and our bag of rags. Alright. So corner guards are in. We're going to pre-treat, start running our hoses, scrub this tile and grout out, and get started. We ran the CRB machine down on this tile and grout lines. These ones were a little bit more dirtier, so we pulled out the grout brush and did the grout lines after the CRB process. So take a look. Getting ready to run some hose and get this all rinsed up. Alright, so everything is extracted. We're moving on to the next area. We just got it mopped. Placed some fans down. We're going to move on to this entry area, hall, and then the kitchen. So this is all extracted. We placed some fans down to speed up the drying process, coming out amazing.